Hey friends, today in this video I will guide you how we can change the forgotten root password for MySQL in Windows 11 machine. So currently I just installed the MySQL in my machine, so I'm just showing you appwiz.cpl, and you can see MySQL is installed on my machine. This is 8.1. So in case if you have just forget the password, so what you need to do, just uh, open the services by services.msc command, and first you need to just stop the MySQL service. Currently it's running, so what you need to do, just stop it. And post stopping the service, so right click on this SQL properties and then go on this uh, path to executables. Just copy this complete line over here and type it inside a notepad, because I already typed over here. So I'm just typing over here. So this is the complete path for SQL service. So just copy this one till my.ini, Ctrl C, and then press enter. And before putting this line, what you need to do, there is a command which I already copied over here. So I'm just showing you. Just copy this line and type over here. There is a space over here. Now after putting this detail, what you need to do, just copy this line. I will guide you what is this reset.txt, and paste over here. So this will look like this, or so this is the complete detail. So now you need to just delete this one and reset.txt. basically this is a file which I just created, and in this file I have just written some command. I am just showing you. This is a command. This is alter user root, because we are just going to reset the password for root account. So here you need to type the alter user root, and this is a case sensitive, so you have to just be careful whenever you are just typing the command. And this is the password which I am just going to assign for my root account. So what I need to do, I need to just use this line mysqld defaults. This is the path for SQL installation, the services which is running for my machine. And in case if you are using some other version, so you have to be careful as well. So just see, this is 8.1 SQL which is installed on my machine. So what I need to do, I need to just copy this one and open the CMD as a run as administrator. Now yes, you need to just go on the location where you have installed your MySQL. So currently I just installed MySQL in my C program files. This is the location where I just installed. So this is the complete relative path for MySQL. Now the command which you just copied, you need to put this command on CMD and press enter. So this is just going to reset my password for SQL. Now press Ctrl C. This has been changed now. Now when you just open your MySQL and it will ask the password. So the password which I just entered inside the txt file, that will be applied over here. This is the password, so you can change it accordingly. Now you can see this is just allowing me to access this, because the services is already stopped, so you need to also start the service as well. That's why I just got this error over here. Now I'm re-entering the password again. Now you can see that I just entered in my MySQL. So this is the method which you need to just follow with this two file for resetting the password for your MySQL on your Windows machine. So this is the reset.txt. Here you need to specify the root account password, and second is the command which I just written over here, and it will just take the reset.txt file and it will help us to reset your MySQL password. Thank you for watching this video.